Imagine standing on the edge of a vast forest where the leaves whisper tales of resilience and renewal. But just beyond that, the landscape is changing, melting glaciers, rising seas, and parched earth. This is our reality as we face the undeniable effects of climate change. It's not just a distant threat, it's here and it's affecting us all. But what if I told you that as responsible investors, we have the power to shift this narrative? What if our financial choices could help pave the way for a sustainable future? That's where green finance comes in, and it's not just a buzzword, it's a movement that's gaining momentum. Let's dive into one of the most exciting tools in this green finance toolbox: green bonds. Picture this: you're holding a bond, a debt security, to be precise. But this isn't just any bond, this is a green bond, specifically issued to fund projects that benefit the environment. Think renewable energy installations, clean transportation initiatives, or sustainable agriculture practices. When you invest in green bonds, you're not just hoping for a financial return, you're actively participating in the financing of a greener planet. It's a powerful way to align your financial goals with your values. You're helping to create a world where clean energy thrives and the air we breathe is pure. It's like planting a seed that will grow into a robust tree, providing shade for generations to come. Now let's broaden our perspective a bit. Enter ESG investing, where environmental, social, and governance factors come into play. Imagine a Venn diagram where each circle represents a pillar of ESG. The intersection of these circles is where the magic happens. By investing in companies that prioritize sustainability, you're not only making a sound financial decision, but also contributing to a more equitable society. Companies that embrace ESG principles tend to be more resilient, adapting better to regulatory changes and consumer demands. They're the ones leading the charge toward a sustainable future. And by supporting them, you're ensuring that your investments are working for you and the planet. It's a win-win situation. You get long-term returns and our world gets a little greener, a little fairer. But let's take it a step further. Imagine investing not just for profit, but for impact. Welcome to the world of impact investing. This approach is all about generating positive social and environmental outcomes alongside financial returns. Think of it as a way to drive social change while still building your wealth. There are countless stories of successful impact investments that have transformed communities. For instance, consider a company that provides affordable healthcare solutions in underserved areas. By investing in such a business, you're not just putting your money into a financial vehicle. You're supporting a mission that addresses critical issues like poverty and access to education. You're helping to lift people out of hardship, ensuring that everyone has a shot at a better life. Isn't that a legacy worth leaving behind? Now, let's reflect on the bigger picture. Every dollar we invest has the potential to create ripples of change. When we choose to put our money into green finance, we're signaling to the market that sustainability matters. We're telling companies that we want them to prioritize the planet and its people. This collective shift in investment behavior can lead to massive changes in how businesses operate. Imagine a world where corporations strive not just for profit, but for purpose. This is the future we can build together, one investment at a time. But here's the catch: we can't do it alone. It requires a community of like-minded individuals who understand the importance of sustainable investing. So let's talk about the role of education and awareness. It's vital that we equip ourselves with the knowledge needed to navigate this landscape. The more we understand about green finance, the more empowered we become to make informed decisions. Whether it's attending webinars, reading up on the latest trends, or engaging with communities that prioritize sustainability, every step counts. We need to share our insights and inspire others to join this movement. The more voices we have advocating for green finance, the louder our message will be. And as we embark on this journey, let's not forget the personal stories that fuel our passion. Each one of us has a reason for wanting to invest sustainably. Maybe it's a love for nature, a desire to protect our children's future, or a commitment to social justice. Whatever it is, these motivations are powerful. They remind us that we're not just investors, we're stewards of the planet and champions for change. Our investments are a reflection of who we are and what we stand for. So, as we stand at this crossroads, let's embrace the opportunity before us. Let's commit to building a sustainable future through our financial choices. Together, we can harness the power of green finance through green bonds, ESG investing, and impact investments to create a world that thrives, not just survives. Let's make our money work for the planet, for society, and for ourselves. Join me in this movement and let's take the first step toward a brighter, greener tomorrow. The future is in our hands, and it's time we invest in it.